Transform your still photos into mesmerizing dynamic videos with the power of Higgsfield AI. Let's dive into how effortlessly you can bring your images to life. First, open your Higgsfield AI interface and locate the image-to-video conversion tool. Simply select the still image you want to animate. You can drag and drop your chosen photo directly into the upload area, or click to browse your files. Once your image is loaded, Higgsfield AI presents you with intuitive controls to guide the animation. Explore different animation styles to find the perfect mood, from subtle breathing effects to gentle camera pans. Next, adjust the movement intensity to dictate how pronounced you want the motion to be. Start with a moderate setting and experiment to find the sweet spot for your image. Now, the magic happens as Higgsfield AI analyzes your image and applies the chosen animation parameters. This process is quick and efficient, turning your static content into something truly engaging. And there you have it. Your still image is now dynamic video. See how this portrait now has a gentle, lifelike blink, adding an immediate spark of personality. Once you're happy with the result, simply click the download button to save your newly created video, ready to be shared across your platforms. Whether you're looking to create captivating social media content, tell a richer story with your photographs, or add a unique flair to your projects, Higgsfield AI makes transforming still moments into moving memories incredibly easy.